This video was started about a maple tree that had come down in my front yard partially during an ice storm. I decided to use a Granberg 20-inch or less lumber mill to see what I could salvage from this tree. And after getting it up on some logs and noticing that some of it was pretty damaged from the rot, I went ahead and cut it up. Um, this was about 10 months ago from the time this video is posted. I was hoping that I would have an island video to go along with this, but it ended up just falling off to the side as a project that we decided we wanted to go with something else for the island. I have recently checked this wood and it's at about 9% moisture content, so it's pretty close to being ready to use for some other project, possibly a coffee table or some other smaller project. The wood ended up looking really nice. I'll have a video posted for that, but I accidentally deleted the very first portion of this video while I was doing the chainsawing. And so we lost the original mark out, the layout, centering of the pith, the side cuts for the cants, the leveling, and how I initially used the 2x4 that you see in this video to establish my level and straight lines in order to cut the log up for milling. At the end of this video, you'll notice that I have gone from having it set up for basically a 8-inch wide cut to having it set up for only about a 1-inch cut. I had originally been planning to just square the other side to make this log a little bit more stable, but with the use of a log spike on one of the logs on the ground, it turned out to not be necessary. So you'll see a little skip in the video where I readjust the saw down to a thickness of, I believe it's 1.5 inches. So, I really need to stop saying so much in my videos. It's something that has been pointed out to me, and I've really started becoming a lot more aware of it. I hope you enjoy the video, and thank you for watching. pretty nice looking maple. For one that was supposedly completely rotted out. So, let's take a look here. Get some just powder fine rot right through there. This didn't go nearly as far into the board as I thought it was going to. Bottom end's got some nice spalting. About the same on the other side. This end down here is mostly punk wood. This is still good. Got some nice color through there. The good wood right here at the hole where 12 inches is decent. 13 here. Not bad. It's 1 2-inch slab. Got probably 2 more. I don't know if I'm going to make it on this chain. But let's throw some water on this. That's a pretty nice figure there. I think we need a little bit more. Oh, here we go. Yeah, you can really see that spalting now. It's got a nice color to it. Sunlight directly really helps. Some nice. Yeah, that's really nice. Are you enjoying measuring that tree there, Arlo? Oh, and he's got the sharp stuff. That went a whole lot faster than last time. This has got a good section down here. Nice cathedral, some nice colors. All right, let's put some water on that. My wife wants me to sell all these. Might just do that. Might just do that. This was a storm damaged tree from an ice storm a few years ago. Cut him down right there. top just broke off with the pressure of a rope. Literally just the pressure of the rope being on it was enough to snap it off. And then the second section didn't break. I had to put that on a pulley to that tree over there and haul it sideways and drop it without hitting the house here. And yeah, wasn't much holding this left. Took a good sized chunk out of the base. It was all rotted there. This here on the side is just what was holding up the tree. It's beautiful. This here in the center is not quite completely gone, but close. And this over here was decent. But where the storm broke it a few years ago, it rotted across. And so what was above the rot and below the broken piece up above did pretty well. So my light's going pretty quickly here. Let's get one more cut for today. And then tomorrow I think we're cutting some river birch. Well, we're back out here to cut one more slab off this board today. And had to go stop my son from stabbing bananas in the house with a car key. So once that got sorted out, back to it. Okay, well, this is the last one for today. This is cut with a rebuilt Husqvarna 345, 18-inch bar with a .35 repping chain, I think 3/16 teeth. Just got it a couple of days ago. Today was the first day for cuts for it. On a Grainberg 20-inch or less, small log cutting assembly. I'm not sponsored by anybody. This is just what I'm using. 40-to-1 two-stroke. Some premium Husqvarna bar and chain oil, although there's very little of that left, so I'm going to be trying another one here shortly. Our squares are done with this right square from Amazon. I'm really liking this guy. He worked out very well today. He was about 20 bucks. PV log, roller, some brooms, and a maple that was dead in my front yard. So let's see what this last one looks like. Still good looking wood. Pretty punky at that end. Yeah, most of this is gonna be garbage. But from about right there to well, almost all the way down. Get some little rotted out spots here where the limbs came through, but for as horrible as the top of this tree was, I'm really surprised at how good this wood has turned out to be. All right, well, stay safe. I know some of you are screaming at your screen that I don't have cutting chaps on. I would, but I don't have a pair at the moment. I had sold most of my equipment a couple of years ago I'm getting back what I can as time goes by. I would have preferred to do this with my old 562 XP, but I don't have that saw anymore either. So this Husqvarna 345 with the rebuilt motor on it that I rebuilt this winter did surprisingly well at running through this. It wasn't fast cutting, but it's very consistent. Looks pretty good, and I think most of this will plane out pretty nice for the island we're going to make out of a couple of these. So watch for that in the future. Did you need a project? Have a good day.